Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to summarize a YouTube video using ChatGPT. So there is two ways to do it. First way is, let's say we are taking this video as an example. We click on this, copy this link right over here, head over to ChatGPT and say summarize the YouTube video for me, and then just paste the link. And as you can see, it says I can't watch videos, but if you provide a brief description or key points from the video, I can help summarize it for you. So if this doesn't work, what you need to do is click on more in the description option, click on transcript, and then click on these three dots, click on toggle timestamps, and just just copy this entire transcript by pressing Ctrl C. Head over to ChatGPT and say summarize, and then Ctrl V to paste it. Send it over. Let ChatGPT, put up. And as you can see, that they say they check out this hearing aid and they say it's bad, blah blah blah. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.